course everything. Never assume that. So whatever is required, everything we have to write in our bug report. Correct? And 4 reasons we have already seen. These 4 reasons we have already seen. Was it clear till here? Yes. Okay, good. Now let's proceed, guys. Now one more important reason is there. Okay. Now see the diagram now. Everyone observe the diagram. Everyone knows the process of build, correct? First we'll have a build one, then the next build will come, the next build, until test engineer says that boss, enough, this build is stable. This build process keeps on continuing. That is what we have seen. Now according to this diagram, you observe, guys, I have taken B001 is just given to me for testing. It may consist of 10 features, 15 features, or 40 features. That's none of our business. Forget about it. So first build is given. In this first build, we have some set of features to test. There are some set of features to test. Okay. Test engineer started testing this B001. When he started testing this B001, test engineer almost found 5 bugs, guys. Okay, 5 bugs were found. All the 5 bugs were immediately reported to the developer. Whatever 5 bugs I got, I will immediately report to the developer. And test cycle for B001 is 1 week. Within 1 week, they have to finish testing of whatever features were given to them. All 5 features were handed, all 5 bugs were handed over to the developers. Developer says, I can fix only 3 bugs. And we have all discussed. Why is he saying that out of 5 bugs, he can fix only 3 bugs? Out of 5 bugs, I can fix only 3 bugs because of the time constraint. So within 1 week duration, I can fix only 3 bugs. Okay. Now listen carefully. Out of 5 bugs you have sent me, I will fix only 3 bugs. He has decided. Remaining 2 bugs, when he is going to fix it? Whatever the remaining 2 bugs are there, when he is going to fix it? Correct, in the next build. So forget about those 2 builds. Now 3 bugs which he decided to fix. Okay, these 3 bugs which he decided to fix, should he reproduce or he should not reproduce? Obviously he should go through and then he should reproduce it. Yes or no? Without reproducing, developers will never fix the bug. Concept is very, very simple. Because without seeing from my eyes, I don't want to blindly believe the test engineers. So first I want to reproduce, then only I'm going to fix it. Now, when developer decided to fix these 3 bugs, these 3 bugs first he decided to reproduce, then only obviously is going to do the code changes. When I say he has to reproduce the 3 bugs, now the question is, obviously he will reproduce the bugs in test server only. That's also we have seen. Reproducing of the bugs are done in test server. But now the question is, these 3 bugs he will reproduce on which build? On which build he is going to reproduce these 3 bugs? Build number 1, Akash says. Next build, very good. Current build, next build. Sunil Kumar says next build, very good. All other signs saying same build. Play next build, how can he reproduce the bug? What are you talking? Right now, B001 is going on. Test engineer said in the morning that, boss, there is a bug. I want to reproduce the bug. So obviously, all these 3 bugs I'm going to reproduce on B001 only. Yes or no? On the same build only. Because by the next build, I'm going to fix the bug. That is what I'm saying you. Correct? This is clear for everyone. So whatever 3 bugs I decided to fix it, I will reproduce in the same build, not on any other build, guys. Okay, I reproduced and I fixed it also. Next Monday when you came to the office, B002 is ready. When I say B002 is ready, one is uninstalled or one is not uninstalled. B002 is ready means one is already uninstalled or not. Correct? Obviously, one will be uninstalled and two will be installed. Now, in B002, what is the job of a test engineer? Oh. In B002, what is the job of a test engineer? Retest. Retest how many bugs? According to this example, he will retest how many bugs? Correct. Now, test engineer is going to retest these 3 bugs on which build? Test engineer will retest these 3 bugs on which build? Obviously, retesting of these 3 bugs will be done on B002. Correct? Retesting will be done B002. When you are retesting these 3 bugs, simultaneously, developer has to fix the remaining 2 bugs. Yes or no? Whenever you are retesting these 3 bugs, obviously developer has to work on the remaining 2 bugs. He has to fix those 2 bugs. Now, before fixing, again same story. First, he has to reproduce the bugs, because you gave me 5 bugs, but I have not reproduced all the 5 bugs. I have reproduced only the 3 bugs. Now, remaining 2 bugs he has to reproduce before fixing. Now, these 2 bugs he is going to reproduce on which build? These 2 bugs he is going to reproduce on which build? B002, B002, B002. Why you are saying that B002? Why everyone is saying that B002? He will reproduce these bugs on B002. Why? Because B001 is already uninstalled. It is not there only. Obviously, it is not there. So right now, he is going to reproduce these 2 bugs on B002 only. But these bugs were found in which build? These bugs were found in which build? These bugs were found in B001, but he is reproducing in B002. Now what happened, guys? Listen carefully. Now what happened? Everyone knows the difference between B001 and B002 is B002 is the modified version of B001, or B002, lot of code changes were done from B001. Okay. Now, when developer started reproducing the bug here, one bug he is able to reproduce this. Okay, one bug successfully he is able to reproduce. Means he can see a bug is there, but the second bug he is not able to reproduce. Means he is not able to find the bugs. He is not able to find the bug, but everything is mentioned. Server is mentioned, platform is mentioned, data is also mentioned, and navigation steps are also proper. Still, he is not able to see the bug. Can I say because this second bug is automatically fixed? Possible? Possible. Automatically, this bug is fixed when he was doing code changes for those 3 bugs. When he was doing those code changes, automatically this bug got fixed. Okay. See, when I'm saying automatically it got fixed, he also don't know. He also don't know. Testing also don't know. But somehow he is not able to see the bug. Now what this fellow does, he changes the status to not reproducible. Now observe. He will say, this bug is not reproducible. But remember, everything you have mentioned, navigation steps, observation, server, platform, test data, status, everything is mentioned. But he says, I am not able to see this bug, and he will send it back to you. Once he send back this bug to you and he says not reproducible, generally test engineer, what he does, whenever developer says not reproducible, what testing is going to do? Generally, check the report or check once again. When he checked the bug report, everything was proper. Everything was proper. Listen carefully now. He saw the bug report is 100% correct. Now, test engineer also tried to reproduce the bug. Are you understanding my sentence? First, he has gone through the bug. Everything was perfect. Now, he is also trying to reproduce the bug. He's also trying to reproduce the bug. Now, guys, and he is also not able to find the bug. Why he is also not able to find the bug? Bug report was proper, but I tried to reproduce, but I am also not able to reproduce. What is the reason? Because automatically bug is fixed and the build is changed. But remember, already I'm giving you example that build is changed, bug is automatically fixed. But in the real time, I'll not come to know. Yes or no? Understand the concept here. Now already I'm telling you the answer. First only I told you the answer that build is different. But real time, I will be surprised. How come I saw the bug last week, this week that bug is not there? I'll be surprised. Now tell me, developer is saying not reproducible. You are also not able to prove that bug is there. Understand the concept, okay? You are also not able to prove that bug is there. What will you do now with this bug? You are also not able to show the bug to the developer. What will you do? Perfect. Rakshisa says, close the bug. 100% yes. We don't have any option. We are going to close the bug. But guys, when you close the bug, developer will scold you. See, you are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. Unnecessarily, why are you reporting the nonsense bug? Yes or no? You are wasting my time unnecessarily when you can't prove that bug is there. Why are you wasting my time? Now, guys, actually bug was there, bug was not there. Actually, bug was there, bug was not there. Yes, bug was there. Due to the code changes, it got automatically fixed. Now, here the bug is becoming not reproducible because of build mismatch. Means the test engineer found the bug in one build and the developer is trying to reproduce the bug in other build. Okay, I'll repeat once again. The problem here was test engineer found the bug in one build, but the developer is trying to reproduce the bug on other build. When by the time you are trying to reproduce the bug on other build, this bug got fixed automatically. Is it test engineer's mistake? Is it test engineer's mistake? Correct? 100% no. But still it's a bad name for you. Yes or no? See, it is not your mistake, but still it's a bad name. It's a bad name. Is it developer's mistake? Is it developer's mistake? Good. Everyone is saying no, no, no. Correct. Because he can't fix all the bugs at the same time. So when he can't fix all the bugs at the same time, obviously he will reproduce at a different time. So to avoid this problem, what they said is, boss, you do one thing. See, from now, whenever you are preparing a bug report, can you do one thing? Just mention the build number. Okay, but this concept you have to listen carefully. Mention the build number. B001 means this bug was found in B001. This bug was found in B001. Now listen carefully. Same example. Developer is not able to reproduce on B002. He says not reproducible. I will close the bug. Done. I will close the bug. Now developer scolds, hey rascal fellow, why are you reporting nonsense bug? Now I can tell him, boss, you are rascal fellow. Unnecessarily don't use such kind of words. If you want, you go back to B001. I can show you this bug. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Now you can't scold me because bug was found in one. You have done so many code changes. Automatically it is fixed. If you want, you go to B001. I will show you bug is there or bug is not there. Do you think they will go to B001? They will go, they will not go. Because end of the day, guys, let it be developer, let it be test engineer. We want to fix the bug. Yes or no? bugs should be reduced, all the bugs should be fixed. But now at least developer can't use a bad word for me, or he can't blame me. Yes or no? He can't blame me now. He can't blame me. That's why they say, guys, in the bug report, we should mention the build number. If you don't mention the build number, your bug may become not reproducible. And see, you can't remember here. See, observe. Bug found in 1 may be fixed in build number 7 also. Possible, not possible? Bug found in build number 1 can be fixed in build number 7 also. So in this example, I'm saying 1, 2, so easily you can remember. So in the practicality, we can't remember the build numbers. We can't remember. So mention the build number in your bug report. So this is also one reason for what? This is also one reason for not reproducible. So solution is also this, I can call it as a build mismatch. When I say build mismatch, the test engineer found the bug in one build and the developer is trying to reproduce the bug on other build. Is this example clear? And whatever examples I'm giving you, that is only for you, not to teach the interviewer. Interviewer don't want any kind of examples, guys. Clear? Good. Everyone is saying clear, clear, clear. One simple question I will ask. Based on your answer only, I will really understand whether you have understood or not. Okay? Carefully listen. You are mentioning server, you are mentioning platform, you are mentioning data. When you mention server, platform and data, will developer will also use same server, same platform and same data? Yes or no? He will use also. It's not only he should use. Generally uses same thing. But build number, when you are mentioning, will he use the same build? Any rule is there? Understand the question first. Server, he should use same server. Platform, he should use same platform. Data, he should use same platform. But build number, whatever you are mentioning, any rule that he should use same build number only? No. Perfect, guys. Everyone is given correct answer. Answer is no. Just to be on the safer side, I am mentioning the build number. Can I hope you have understood this also? See, don't tell me he will not use the same build. Listen, if he is fixing the bug in the same build, he will use the same build only. But if he wants to fix this in the future build, he cannot use the same build. Understand that sentence also. Because out of 5, 3 bugs are reproduced in the same build. Only 2 bugs is going to reproduce in the other build. Okay. This is the concept of build mismatch. Neatly write the 5th reason, whatever you have understood. But as I said, you, this example is only for you. Only for you. Right? Whatever you understood here. Sir, Odisha people cannot attend class tomorrow because cyclone. What will we do? If you ask this question, what I can do? You try, we will see. Cyclone may come. That is what they have told, right? You completely keep your mobile or laptop charged today only. Tomorrow only one session I will take. You attend. Only one session I'll take tomorrow. Already came. I got it understood, but nothing can be done. You prepare. We will not give any recording. I don't know. If you have option of recording, you record. But we don't give any recordings. If you have option on your side, you do it, guys. That I tell in the last Pratiksha. Wait till I say this is completed. Said bug is automatically fixed is just an example. Every time it will not happen. Remember that point. Remember that point. It's like a lottery. If you ask me, I have never seen anyone getting a lottery till today. So, but it may happen. One bug may be fixed. One bug may be fixed. But to be on the safer side, I'm saying mention the build number. Problem is solved. That's all. Just to mention the build number. Anyone still writing? Anyone still writing fast? Last 1 minute. Right. Mridula, right. Last 1-2 minutes. As I said, all these examples is to keep in your mind, guys. That's all. We Ganesh, remember, we call it as a build number only. We don't say build name. Aadhaar, we don't have a number. Aadhaar is name only. So just build number only, they say. Anything they want, they can use it. But generally, they say build numbers. Dana. Okay, good. Now we have finished, guys, all the reasons for not reproducible bug. Remember this. So now we have finished all the different reasons which are applicable for this not reproducible, and solution is means how can we avoid not reproducible bug? Now you only give me the answer, everyone. how can we avoid not reproducible bugs? Mention everything in the bug report, not only build guild, but interview, you have to say all the 5 points. Okay, you have to mention the incomplete navigation steps, mention the server, mention the platform, mention the data, and mention the build also. Okay, and generally, if you ask me, sir, how to prepare a bug report, can I say this is the process of preparing a bug report? Okay, generally, but remember, this is not a complete answer. This is not a complete answer. But generally, when I say how to prepare a bug report, all these things should be mentioned in the bug. All these things should be mentioned in the bug report. Okay. Now one cross question. Now one cross question. Believe me, every interview this question is asked. Let it be fresher, let it be experience. Compulsory, they're asking this question. The question is, boss, test engineer has mentioned everything in the bug report. Like navigation steps are complete, observation is complete, server, platform, data, build, whatever is required, everything is mentioned in the bug report properly. Still developer says bug is not reproducible. Why? Understand the question, guys. Don't simply throw the biscuits here. I said developer is saying not reproducible. How you are saying invalid bug here? Don't give simply answers. Understand the question here. Boss, developer is saying not reproducible means I am not able to see the bug. You can't say it is not a bug. If it is not a bug, it's an invalid bug. Okay. Listen, build is also same. Good question. Vibhuti, perfect question. Build is also same build only is reproducing. Same build only is reproducing. Still developer is not able to see the bug. Lack of understanding of requirement. What you are talking, Ole? Is developer fixing the bug based on bug report or requirement, guys? Developer is reproducing the bug based on bug report or based on the requirement? Based on the bug report. Then what you are saying, he has not understood the requirement. He is going through properly. He knows English also. Okay, forget about answer. I understood that you don't know answer. But it's like Yogendra Patel, like how can bug fix automatically? Like same build I'm saying. When the same build, how is it possible? And Sumaya is saying incomplete navigation steps. I started saying that everything is mentioned in the bug report. Look at your answers. Forget, is the question clear? Forget about the answer. Is the question clear? When everything is mentioned in the bug report, still developer is saying not reproducible. Correct? What is the reason? Now everyone listen carefully. Everyone listen carefully. Okay. Now what happened, guys? What happened? I started testing. Okay. When I started testing, exactly 9:30, first time I saw the bug. Test engineer saw the bug. Okay. What is the next step generally test engineer does? 9:30, first time test engineer saw the bug. What is the next step test engineer does? I saw a bug. Analyze the bug, it seems. Check the module, report it to developer. Go through the bug report. Wow, you are great, Ole. I'm saying just now I saw the bug. You are saying go through the bug report. Good. Ramya is correct. First, I want to see whether it is a common modules or it is a dependent modules. That is what I do first generally. Okay. but let it keep out of discussion. Let's assume that it is an independent module only. It is an independent module only. Now tell me, what will you do? I found a bug. I saw a bug in my computer. It is an independent module. Prepare a bug report. Very good. Prepare a bug report. Okay. Now listen, guys. Now listen. One example I'll take. See, assume that all girls are married. Assume all girls are married. Can you assume? Assume all girls are married. Boys are also married. Done up. Don't feel bad. Oh, boys are also married. I said girls are married. Naveen, why you are saying no? You are a girl or what? Assume. Now what happened? You are going in the bus. When you are going in the bus, one left side, one park came. You saw one person is talking to a girl. He is exactly like your husband. What is the next step you will do? You are sitting in the bus. You saw that a person is there. Exactly, he looks like your husband. What is the next step you do? You are calling, correct. Stop the bus, or you will call him, correct? Why are you calling him? Call him and ask, where are you? That means, listen, observe now. Some people are saying, sir, I will stop the bus, get down, run, and I will see whether he's my husband only or not. Second, people are saying, sir, I'll call him and really confirm whether he's my husband only or not. That means, guys, as soon as you saw that person, he looks like your husband only, will you send a divorce? Will you send a divorce paper to him? No. You are saying, sir, I want to reconfirm. Yes or no? I want to reconfirm. I want to reconfirm. I want to reconfirm. Yes. Yes. Same way, guys, all of you understand. New concept I'm adding. Once you get a bug first time, okay, what test engineer does, you know? Test engineer is going to reconfirm the bug. He's going to reconfirm the bug. For whose sake? For whose sake? For himself only. So I'm saying second time, test engineer is going to reconfirm the bug for his own sake, not for a developer's sake. Okay? Yes or no? Required or not required? Yes, because guys, what happens is, listen. Sometime you type www.gmail.com. www.gmail.com. It says page cannot be found. You again close the browser and open the browser and type www.gmail.com. Page get opened. Have you seen this? Sometime you log into ICICI application. It says, sorry, logged out automatically. Again you log in. It is logged in successfully. It may be because of the load is more. It may be because of the network issue or some reason. We don't care. But observe guys, many times in the company, what happens, you know, I saw the bug for the first time. You got excited. You prepare a bug report with everything, server, platform, data, build, everything you mentioned, you send it to the developer. After you send to the developer, once he typed www.gmail.com, login page is opened for him. How many of you understanding what I'm saying? First of all, how many of you understanding? Just reply. Yes. So that means understand what I'm saying. So you, and see, again I'm repeating, reasons I don't know. But in the company, what happens, you know, guys, we have some bugs, called as inconsistent bug. Okay, I'll tell you what is this. Wait. So sixth reason, there is something called as inconsistent bug. See, when I say inconsistent bug, just now I told you, www.gmail.com, page is not displayed. Immediately I'll send it to the developer. Within 5 minutes, developer is trying to reproduce on the same build. But once he types, he is able to see the page. Is it inconsistent or not? Inconsistent means what? Sometimes it happens and sometimes it does not happen. it happens sometime and it does not happen sometime. That is called as inconsistent bug. And you never know when this inconsistent bug can see anything. It may be network or load. That is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Reason I don't care. Reason I don't care. But it was not working for me. It is working for developer means, is it a shame for me or not? I spent 20 minutes in preparing a bug report. I sent everyone. CC also have kept. Now developer says, "Le rascal, why you are saying that bug is there? Why you are saying bug is there? I am not able to see the bug." And next time when you also try to www.gmail.com, it is working for you. Now you have to close the bug. Yes or no? Now you have to close the bug. Correct? That's why what they say, whenever you get a bug, okay, whenever you get a bug, you have to first of all reconfirm for yourself. Am I clear till now? You have to reconfirm for yourself. Am I clear? Yes? Good. Now the problem is, guys, see, whatever the bug happened to you, only once it happened, I can understand. But same thing can happen to customer also. Possible, not possible? Whatever happened to you, same thing can happen to customer also. But problem is what, if I report this inconsistent bug to the developer, he will not fix it because it is working for him. He will not fix it. Now companies, what they decided is, boss, do one thing. Step number 1, okay, listen carefully, listen here now. Step number 1, test engineer whenever you are testing. My, let me write Control Z. Step number 1 is as soon as you get bug, okay, first they say take a screenshot. What is the meaning of a screenshot? What is the meaning of take a screenshot? This is my step number 2. Okay, you have this print screen, in your laptop or the in your system, you have a print screen. Take a screenshot because this screenshot is a proof that you got a bug. Yes or no? Screenshot is a proof. Now tell me, see, screenshot you will take only for inconsistent bug or for every bug? The screenshot you want to take only for inconsistent bug or for every bug? Only for inconsistent. Good. Listen carefully. Some people are saying, sir, for inconsistent. Boss, first time I found a bug. If you want to know whether it's inconsistent or not, what is the second step you should do? First time I found a bug. If you want to know whether it's inconsistent or not, what is the next thing you have to do? You have to reconfirm. Perfect. When you are reconfirming, second time you are not getting a bug. Third time also you're not getting a bug. Fourth time also you're not getting a bug. Now, can you take a screenshot now? First time I found, but I don't want to take a screenshot. Second, third, fourth, I'm not getting. Boss, that's the reason they say, you let it be consistent, let it be inconsistent. First, you take a screenshot. As a proof. After taking the screenshot as a proof, next step number 3 is, now you reconfirm the bug. For whose sake? For testing sake only. Now observe. Now carefully listen now. When I'm reconfirming, still I'm not able to see a bug. Is it inconsistent or not? When I'm reconfirming, I'm not able to see a bug. It's inconsistent. Still, what I will do? I will prepare a bug report, and you observe, I am going to add a screenshot here. Okay, I'm going to have one attachment here. Every bug report, I will have one attachment, And in this attachment, I am going to attach the screenshot of the bug. I am going to attach the screenshot of the bug. Now listen carefully. And in the additional comments, I will mention what this bug is a inconsistent bug. Observe. Step number 3, reconfirm the bug. Reconfirm the bug. And when I was reconfirming, I'm not getting a bug. Still, what I did, why to take chance? I prepare one bug report. Okay, then I attach the screenshot, and in additional comments, what I'm mentioning, in additional comments, I'm writing that this bug is inconsistent. Okay, tell developer, this bug is inconsistent. This bug is inconsistent. Now I have mentioned this also, and I will send a bug report to the developer, guys. When developer is reproducing, he is not getting the bug. Done. I will close it also. If tomorrow customer finds the same issue, who is the culprit? If tomorrow customer finds the same issue, who is the culprit? Developer or test engineer? Now you are saying developer. Why you are saying developer now? You are saying developer. Why developer? Boss, as a test engineer, I can only tell you that bug is there. I have attached the screenshot also as a proof. I have done my job. So you should have fixed this bug. You should identify why this bug is inconsistent. I can't do. I am just a test engineer. I mentioned that this bug is inconsistent. I told you that it happens sometime, it is not happening. And it happened to me. I gave you proof also. Still, you have not fixed it. So that's why they say for every bug, we should have one more attribute called as attachment. Not only for inconsistent bug. Each and every bug, let it be consistent, let it be inconsistent, compulsory screenshot should be there. So inconsistent bug is also one reason for not reproducible. And the solution is mention the screenshot or attach the screenshot in your bug report. And this summary is what So from today, whenever they ask an interview, as soon as you get a bug, what is the first step you do? What is your answer? See, step number 1 is I got a bug. Or let me change like this, guys. Wait. As soon as you get a bug, the step number 1 is take a screenshot. For every bug or only for inconsistent bug? For every bug or only for inconsistent bug? For every bug. I don't care. I don't know bug is consistent, inconsistent, don't care. For every bug, I'll take a screenshot. Then after taking a screenshot, then I will reconfirm whether the bug is there or bug is not there. Okay. And after this, if you ask me, wait, don't write anything. Step number 3. Can you give me step number 3 now? Let me see. Take a screenshot, reconfirm the bug. Yes, bug is there or no, bug is not there. It's okay. What is the step number 3? Think and talk. Good. Very good. Who is this first? Ganesh. Analyze if common or what? Dependent modules. Then from here, you know what to do. Yes or no? From here, you know what to do. I'm not going to write all those things. Same thing. You prepare a bug report, store in the bug repository, this, everything until you CC to all the test engineers. Have you understood this concept also, guys? Have you understood this concept? Now write whatever you have understood. Inconsistent bug, you write. Okay. Whatever understood. This is the 6th reason for this not reproducible bug. So write whatever you understood here about the inconsistent bug. And this also for your reference, you keep it somewhere. You keep this also. Copy whatever you understood. Copy. Sir, for every bug we have to take a screenshot. Minimum 15 times I told Chauhan, for every bug we have to take. So 16th time also I'm telling you, you have to take. For every bug you have to take. One beauty of the screenshots I'll tell you later. First you write this. One beauty of screenshot is there. I'll tell you. Abhishek, that we'll discuss later. That is not at all concept now. Developer will reconfirm or test engineer will reconfirm. Like Pushpita Behra, a person is looking like your husband in the park. You will go and reconfirm or conductor will go and reconfirm. Person is same like your husband only from backside. You will confirm or double as this conductor will confirm. Correct. Reconfirm means obviously retest the same scenario. Whatever actions you have done, repeat the actions once again and see whether same bug you are able to see it or not. Same bug you are able to see it or not. That is nothing but reconfirm. What question you are asking, Hari Krishna? What is answer for the question developer says? Okay. So I started this topic with everything is mentioned in the bug report, but still developer is saying not reproducible means it may be an inconsistent bug. That is an answer. So answer you have to tell in the interview, if everything is mentioned, still is not able to reproduce means that it is a inconsistent bug or it may be the inconsistent bug. That is the answer. Clear? Correct. So Deepu, you have to find a bug and you have to upload it. If interviewer is asking find a bug, I'll give you an application. Then obviously you have to find it. And you have to prepare a bug report and you have to upload. That I'll teach you. Wait, that I'll teach you. No, Karthik, I'll not answer this. Test engineer and developers are finding bug in same build. What you are talking? Bug in different build. Why will developer find a bug? Why will developer find a bug? What you are asking? Sir, test engineers and developer found the bug in different builds. I never use that sentence only, first of all. Copy it, guys. Right. Okay, right. See, when you're asking some question, done, you're right. Take 2-3 more minutes. I don't have any problem. But any questions when you're asking, right, first you ask yourself whether the question is proper or not. First you ask yourself what exactly you want. Then if you are not finding the answer, then you ask me the question. Guys, if I'm saying your question is wrong, doesn't mean that you have to be sorry. Please don't take in wrong way. Don't take in wrong way. When I say your question is wrong, because developer cannot find a bug, first of all. Can developer find a bug, guys? Developer can only reproduce the bug. He cannot find a bug. This one line is enough in interview for them to reject you. So I'm correcting you people here only. Please understand. I'm correcting you people here only. Instead of doing mistake in front of the interviewer, you do in front of me. It's always better. Developer only reproduce the bug. What is the solution for this? For this means what, Naveen? Solution for what? Solution for what? Shilpa, sir, first time we found a bug, second time we didn't find a bug. Should we report or not? 100% you should report. That is what I said. You report, you attach a screenshot also. Tell him that this is an inconsistent bug. After that, his wish, Shilpa. So let him fix, let him not fix, I don't care. But I have done my job. That's all. This bug report you don't write, guys. Bug report is a separate class. Neatly I'll teach you. Don't write this bug report template. Please don't write. This is not a complete bug report. Still many attributes are there. I'll teach you. Don't write that bug report template. Right now I'm only teaching you the not reproducible status. That's all. Sir, while adding status, will previous status be same or will should be deleted off? Your Rani Nimajina Badia, what you are asking, will ask this question to other people only. Guys, while adding a new status, what should we do with the old status is a question. After complete Ramayana is over, you are asking me who is Sita's husband. Forget about reopen, reopen. Any status when you are changing the old status, obviously we have to remove. That is a concept here. Compulsory, the old status should be removed and the new status should be written. Dana. Okay. This completes the love story on not a reproducible bug, guys. Okay. Now we have in interview when they ask you explain not reproducible, right? Point number one. Explain not reproducible, what you should speak. Point number one. Bug is consistent, then in additional comments we have to mention or no need. Not required. You don't have to write saying that this is not a inconsistent bug, boss. That is not required. That is not at all required. Only if it consists inconsistent, then only you mention that it is an inconsistent bug. Simple concept. For all your girlfriends, you will always say that I love you daily. You have to tell. But husbands and wife, anyone married is there. You tell me, do you say I love you to your wife or husband every day? Married people answer. No, because oh yes means you are newly married, I think. Just now married, I think. That's the reason you are overexcited. Obviously, no, because by default marriage is done means what? Already you are in love only. Obviously, by default your marriage is done means you are loving her or you are loving. Oh, you tell sir, you are asking me only. But always remember, boyfriend, girlfriend, we don't have options. To keep them happy, we should keep on telling this. No, Ganesh, see, we can't avoid inconsistent bug. Understand? I can only attach a screenshot. That's all. Obviously, if you attach a screenshot, then developer let him do whatever you want, right? Nothing can be done. Right, guys. Point number one. Point number one. Definition. Obviously, the definition, the reasons, our approach, and how to avoid. Right. First one, definition. Inconsistent. Sorry, not reproducible. These are the bugs. These are the bugs. These are the bugs which are accepted by the developers. These are the bugs which are accepted by the developers. Guys, what is the meaning of accepted by the developers? What's the meaning of accepted by the developers? I'm sorry, I was speaking in mute only. I am there, I am there, I am there. Sorry, by mistake. By mistake. Sorry. By mistake. Are you there? Are you there? Sir, class is over. Sir, you went home. I'll also go home. Oh, okay, done. Wait. Right. So these are the bugs. These are the bugs which are accepted by the developers. Which are accepted by the developers, but he is not able to. But he is not able to physically locate the bug. But he is not able to physically locate the bug. Not able to physically locate the bug after going through your bug report. Not able to physically locate the bug after going through the bug report. After going through the bug report. This is a definition of your not reproducible. It is done. First point is done. Next, second point. Reasons could be write all these 6 reasons. Reasons could be write all these 6 reasons. Even if you have written also, write it once again, no problem. Reasons could be all these 6 things you write once again. It may be incomplete navigation steps or server mismatch, platform mismatch, data mismatch, build mismatch, or sometime inconsistent bug, or sometime inconsistent bug. Reasons could be all the 6. Next, third point. Reasons could be all the 6. Then the third point. When developer says not reproducible. Third point. When developer says not reproducible. When developer says not reproducible. When developer says not reproducible, as a test engineer, when developer says not reproducible, as a test engineer, once again, we go through the bug report once again. We go through the bug report once again, and if information is missing, we add it. If any information is missing, then we add it and send it back to the developer. If any information is missing, we add it and send it back to the developers. We add it and send it back to the developers. Have you understood this point, guys? Has everyone understood that English? What I'm telling, are you understanding or under sitting? Yes, sir. Good. Oh, simple English, that's all. Good, yes. Thank you. Done. Next point. Fourth point. Very important point. Fourth point. Okay, fourth point. How to avoid it. Okay. The meaning is how to avoid it. How to avoid it. To avoid not a reproducible bug. To avoid not reproducible bug. Mention all the details. Mention all the details in detail. All right, mention all the details. To avoid not reproducible bug, mention all the details whichever you have used for testing. Mention all the details whichever you have used for testing, along with screenshot of the bug. Along with screenshot of the bug. Along with screenshot of the bug. To avoid not reproducible bug, mention all the details which we have used for testing. Mention all the details which we have used for testing, along with the screenshot of the bug. Along with the screenshot of the bug. Okay. So guys, whatever example have given, all these things is only to make you understand. But in interview, when they ask you explain, if you tell these points, it's more than enough. So can I hope you have understood this not reproducible bug also? Have you understood not reproducible bug also? Have you understood not reproducible bug? Yes. Okay. So now we have completed. So now we have completed all other statuses of the bug life cycle. Okay. So all other status of the bug life cycle is completed. Now, guys, in interview when they ask you, listen, careful. Sana, go baby. Guys, I'm audible now. Audible now. Audible now. Yes. Okay. Listen now. Now, in interview, see, in interview, when they ask you, explain bug life cycle, listen, carefully listen, explain bug life cycle when they ask. Anyhow, still bug life cycle, if you ask me, 2 more classes are there. 2 more classes are there. After that, I'll give you questions also, how to answer also. But right now, I'm saying you, whenever they say explain bug life cycle, first you have to talk about whatever notes I have given. Yes or no? I gave you some 5-6 points on the day 1 or day 2. Do you remember? I gave some 5-6 points. Okay. After that, you should also explain all these status also, guys. Means when they ask you, okay, explain bug life cycle or the status of the, what are the different status of the bug life cycle? Now listen, you should talk about new, you should talk about assigned, you should talk about fixed also, you should talk about invalid also, you should talk about RFP also. Okay, all the whatever I have told you, different status, everything you have to speak, and you should also talk about reopen, and you should also speak about the close. Are you understanding? Everything. Dot means for can't fix also, and for your duplicate, for not reproducible, everything you speak, guys. Four points you have to speak. And see, he will not ask you what are the reason, how to avoid. No, when he asks, you answer each and every point. Is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Yes. Okay. Now let me show you. The format of the bug report, guys. Because listen, till now whatever bug report parallelly he was teaching. So explain bug life cycle is done. What are the status of the bug life cycle is done. What are the reasons that whom to assign the bug, that also I have covered. And impact area, when we are retesting the bug, we should also concentrate on impact area, that is also covered. Yes or no? Now they're asking, write and show me the bug report template. Oh, I don't know to save or not to save. Okay, one second. That's okay. Observe now. Write and show me the bug report template. Because guys, listen now. Generally, what is the English meaning of a template? Generally, when I say template, what is the English meaning of template? Template means procedure. Wrong. Format is a correct answer. Boss, see, passport, if I want to fill, there is a format or there is a template. If you want to open an online bank account, a format is there. Is that format same for everyone or not? Whatever that online application I am filling, you are filling, my friend is filling, is it same or not? 100% same. The sequence is also same or sequence is also not same? Sequence is also same, sequence is also not same. Correct. 100% sequence is also same. Sequence is also same. Now listen, guys. 200% they'll ask you, write and show me the bug report template. Or the question is, what are the attributes of a bug report? Or what are the content of the bug report? What the bug report consists of? What the bug report consists of? Don't write. First listen. And this template is same for everyone or different for different test engineers? Is it same or different? Same or different? Obviously it's same, right? See, once I join a company, there are 5 people in my team. There are 5 people in my team. All the 5 people, they say, prepare the bug report in the same format. All the 5 people, they say, prepare the bug report in the same format. And they will give you the Excel sheet. All of you understand the concept here. They will only give you the Excel sheet. Your job is just what? Tell me. Assume this is an Excel. Assume this is an Excel. What is your job here? Assume it's a format. Assume it's a format. What is your job here? To fill. Perfect. You have to just fill. Now, if you follow the bug report template, the good thing is all test engineer will report the bug in the same format. Yes or no? Everyone prepares a bug in the same format or same sequence and same attributes also. You will not add any extra attributes. I will not add any extra attributes. Whatever attributes are there in the bug report, you fill it, and you have to send it. Okay. Now listen, carefully listen, guys. If you see this content, okay, once again, don't write anything, please listen. If you see this content, bug number is there, correct? Bug number is there. Let's assume I will write here. Bug number is, this is bug number is 24. What is the use of this bug number? This is bug number 24. Let's assume. What is the use of this bug number? I'm asking. Not build a in bug number. I'm saying. What is the use of this bug number? To identify the bug. Uniquely, we have to identify. Not to locate, get is wrong answer. At least if bug number is there, first count will be there. Totally, how many bugs are found in the project? Total, how many testings, how many bugs he has found? And every bug has a unique ID. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuation will be there. Correct. So that is the use of a bug number. Test case, I will teach you guys. Okay, please listen. This concept is not done. Remember, just remember that there is something called as a test case number. I will easily teach you. Don't bother about this. Next, what is the use of this module? What is the use of this module? Was the where exactly the bug is found? Assume I will write. The bug was found in this compose module. The bug was found in this compose module. Next, requirement number. Boss, this bug was found in requirement number 5. Let's assume this bug was found in the requirement number 1. And when it's a status, what is the first status? Generally, you will write first status. Obviously, this is new bug. Like requirement number is 5. I'm just writing, that's all. Like that also you're asking me why are you writing 5 means what? Assume compose module, the requirement number was 5. So this requirement number I have written. Is it clear, guys? It's just a requirement number I have written. Next, reporter. Who is the reporter? Reporter. Who is the reporter? Correct. Assume we will write this is done by test engineer number 1. The person who has found the bug. The person who has found the bug, he is nothing but the reporter. Date of what? Date of. Correct. Date of bug found. Let's assume 25th May. I'm writing here. This bug was found in 25th May. Don't write anything. First listen. Okay. Assigned to. What should I write here? Assigned to. Any developer, see, they will tell us, right? They will tell which particular developer we have to assign. So that particular developer name we have to write here, guys. This is assigned to developer number 4 or 5 or something I'm saying. Okay. Okay. Next. Severity priority is at least 1 hour is required. I'll talk about it. I'll talk about it. Again, I'm repeating. What is severity? What is priority? How to give the severity priority? If you ask me 1 hour or 1 class is entirely required for that, I will teach you beautifully with example. You don't bother. But these two are very, very important attributes of the bug report. They are also very, very important. CC, what should I write here? This also we have seen. CC, what we have to write? No others. I said you severity priority. I will teach you. Don't ask me. Again, you are asking same thing. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. CC, we will put a group ID. Do you know the meaning of a group ID, guys? Gmail or whatever it is, we can create a group ID. We don't have to copy what, one by one ID. We will have a group ID of a testing team. My manager will give me. So that group ID of a testing team, I'm going to mention here, guys. CC means obviously carbon copy for all the test engineers. Instead of typing each and every test engineer's name, I will put the group ID. Next, you know why server is required. Yes or no? You know why platform is required. You know why tested data is required. You know why build number is required. You know why attachment is required. I've already told you, taught you that. I've already taught you that. Correct? Next to observe, then we have summary. Summary is what, guys. It is just a one line. Means. Think like this. Inbox, mails are not working. Okay. Inbox. Summary is what, Inbox, mails are not working. Simple concept. One line. Inbox, mail not working. This is nothing but just one line. You have to give the summary. This is also clear in your own English. Whatever you have to just write one line. You have to write. Next, you observe under a brief description. You have to write all these things, guys. Steps to reproduce. Steps to reproduce is nothing but navigation steps. Some company call it as a steps to reproduce. Some company call it as a navigation steps. This we have seen. From 2 days we are seeing navigation steps. Observation, that also you know. Expected results means what? Tell me. See, my observation is same. Inbox mails are not working. That is my observation. What is an expected results? Observation is inbox mails are not working. What is my expected results? You give me expected results also. No. Fixing why it's called expected results. In inbox, mail should be working. That's all. That is my expected results, right? Boss, I am expecting that mail should work, but my observation is mail is not working. And finally, you have this additional comments. This also we have seen. That means, guys, listen now. This is how we prepare a bug report in the company. These are the attributes. Every attribute, you know what is the use of it. Only 3 things I have not covered: test case number, severity, and priority. Is it correct statement? Sumit, waste question. First, listen. I'm teaching something. You're asking how much time it takes to prepare. First, listen. So, guys, apart from test case number, from severity and priority, any other attribute you are seeing, you know the use of that attribute. Yes or no? You know the use of that attribute. Yes or no? Okay. Now, guys, when they ask you write and show me the bug report template, you have to write all these attributes. Then they may ask you, explain me what is use of a bug number, what is use of a module, what is use of a test data, what is use of a platform, why you should write navigation steps. Then you have to answer. These 3 I will cover in the tomorrow's class. Is the bug report template clear for everyone? Is the template clear? Second, see, when I say template, all the companies, the intention is same. Yes or no? I am using one template. Other companies using one template. Okay. other company, every company is using a different templates. But I tell you guys, 95% attributes are same only. Any company you go, I'll tell you, any company you go, it will have bug number, test case, status, reporter, date, assigned to, build number will be there, test data will be there, platform will be there. But 2-3 extra attributes may also be there. Possible or impossible? 2-3 extra attributes may be there. Or some company says, no. When module name is there, I don't want requirement number. Possible, not possible? Correct. So what I'm trying to say is, you don't bother, sir, if I write this much is enough or not. If you write all these attributes and explain in the interview, it is more than enough. Then copy this template. Neatly copy this template. This is very, very important. I'm saying every interview they're going to ask this. Write and show me the bug report template. To write this template, then I have 2 important announcements I will make. First, to write this template first. Severity, priority, test case, these 3 are pending. So only those 3 topics are pending in bug life cycle. You write, hello. You write. Good guys, I got one question. What is test data? Very good question, but answer I'll not give. Already morning, same thing we have done. 1, 2, 3 point under topic. Sir, in CC, test engineer mail ID or developer mail ID? Monica, generally they put group ID of test engineers also, but developers group ID is not required, they say. Why? I don't want to inform all the developers. Only to my developer, if I inform, it's enough. So general processes in CC, they will put only testing team group ID. Sir, it is brief description. Brief description, yes, correct. It is brief description only. Yogendra, yes. Inputs given for test scenario to generate bugs is called as that. Good. You will have patience, you will easily give the answer. Give. Observation and summary details are almost the same, Pooja. Almost same, correct. Your summary is nothing but your observation only, correct. Copy it, guys. Copy it. See, later you write what is the use of a server, what is the use of a platform, what is the use of a test data. Already we have discussed. So after the class is done, you sit in home and for every attribute you write one line explanation, so that easily in interview you can talk. Okay. So very important one first point. Listen, guys. Very important first point is what See, developer, if you want to fix the bug, okay, I said he will go through server, platform, test data, build number, your all these things, correct? Truly speaking, practicality, Just by seeing your attachment only, they will come to know where is the bug. Yes or no? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Even though I am mentioning everything, I'll tell you, I am mentioning everything to be on the safe side. But believe me, guys, only for your reference, I'm telling this. In the company, developer will not sit and read all these things. Just by seeing attachment, screenshot only, he will come to know where exactly is the bug. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Are you understanding? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, good, good. Announcement number 1. Java people, see 3 o'clock, some people Java is going on, correct? Already for some people Java is going on. One more batch was there. Till oops, it was completed. Do you remember? 80% of Java is done. Oops was completed. Till oops was completed, then we stopped. Again, I'm repeating. Some people 3:30 batch already Java is going on. Java is going on. Other batch was there. Physically, when the class was going on, till oops concept it was completed. Till oops concept it was completed. All those people from tomorrow 11 o'clock, you will have your Java class. You will have your Java class continuation. So the plan is, remember, morning 8 o'clock to 10:30 I'll take from tomorrow. So 8 o'clock to 10:30 I will take manual testing. 11 o'clock, those people who have finished 2 portions of Java, they will have their Java class. Some more people are there, 3 o'clock Java they're attending, they know who are they. Is it clear for everyone? Okay, so tomorrow morning 8 o'clock we will continue bug life cycle, guys. Tomorrow morning 8 o'clock, all other things we'll discuss, guys. Please see, it's very tough to coordinate your SQL, GSQL.